Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Purba, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create this black smoky eye look. We are just gonna dive right into the video. I'm first gonna prime my eyelids. I always do this, and I'm taking the Eyelook Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, applying this all over my eyelid, and this is gonna remove all the redness from the eyelid. Then after applying the primer, I'm setting my entire eyelid with some translucent powder, and for this look, I'm gonna use Morphe 35 S Sweet Oasis Palette. So I'm gonna start with the color Take Me Back, and I'm just gonna apply this underneath the highest points of my eyebrow. Using a light color underneath the brow makes the transition from your smoky eye look so much better. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Sandbar, and this is gonna be the transition color. So I'm gonna make sure to blend this all over in my crease. I like to start with the light color first for a smoky eye look, because this just makes all the blending of the darker colors easier, and this is also going to be the shade that you will see like as a transition above all the dark shades, and it's just basically gonna make everything look so much better. And I'm also really focusing on blending this in the inner corner as well. So then I went in with the color Vineyard Escape, which is slightly darker. First I tapped this on the outer V area, and then I made circular motions and just blending it out, and also like blending it into the crease. I want this to be everywhere because I'm gonna do like a smoky eye in kind of like a round shape. So I want some of this color to be all the way around my crease area, going from inner corner to the outer corner. So I'm just focusing that it's everywhere. I'm just continuing on blending this shade. I'm just adding more and more and just making sure that everything looks nice and soft. Then I switched to a tinier brush and blended a little bit more of that in my inner corner. And then I went in with the color Black Beige from the Carnival 3 palette, as the Morphe palette does not contain any black shade. Taking the same tiny brush, again first blending this in the inner corner area, and then after that I'm also gonna blend it more towards the crease and outer V. Using a tinier brush just works so much better in this area because you have to be a little bit more precise. You don't want the black eyeshadow too high like towards your brow. And now I'm switching to a brush which is a little bit bigger and blending this in my outer V as well, and just smudge it out. And then whatever is left on the brush, I'm gonna blend it more towards the crease area as well, just all the way around, again just like I did with the previous colors. Then I went in with a gel liner, and I'm just gonna use this all over the eyelids. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna make the eyelid super black, which is very nice because using only black eyeshadow will not make the eye look as black compared to if you use a gel liner underneath. So I'm just taking a bit of this gel liner with the same brush, and I'm just applying it over the eyelid, and I'm just kind of like blending the gel liner upwards and downwards, and this is gonna smudge it out and make the transition look a bit more clean and smooth. Then I just set my entire eyelid using the same black shadow from Tahiti palette, just to make sure that the gel liner get locked in place, and this will also make this even more black. So then whatever is left on my brush, I'm gonna blend just a little bit more in my crease. You can always go back in with some of the previous colors that you used. I used a little bit more of the black underneath the transition area because I want everything to look perfect. Then I went in with some concealer and used this underneath the eye area and also a little bit underneath the outer V, just to clean everything up because you will have some fallout with black eyeshadow, so make sure you get rid of that. Then I used Huda Beauty Duo Life Liner all the way in my waterline. This is one of my most favorites because it glides on the waterline super easy. I also tightlined my upper lash line. This will get rid of any skin you can still see in between your lashes. And then I used the same black shadow with a small flat definer brush. I'm just pressing this right underneath the lower lash line, trying to press as close to as possible against the lash line so you cannot see any skin in between. And then I blended it out with the Vineyardscape and Sandbar shade that I used on my crease as my first and second transition shade with a small pencil brush, blending this back and forth. Then I used some mascara before applying falsies, and for that I used Lakme Iconic Mascara. Then I went in with the shade Windsurf. I'm gonna apply this on my inner corner to highlight. So that's pretty much it. This eye look is gonna look stunning on brown eyes. If you recreate this and you have brown eyes, please tag me on social media. I would love to see that. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification beside that. And hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!